Today I'm going to show you how to create this decorative plane called the white dove. To begin, fold the sheet diagonally and then take a pair of scissors and cut off the extra piece at the bottom. Place the triangle sideways and fold the peak over, leaving 2 inches at the bottom. Next, take the top layer and fold it over to the opposite side. And now, fold the plane in half and flip it to the opposite side. Take a ruler and fold up the first side like this. And now repeat with the other side. Now, invert fold the left side so it looks like a beak. Finally, fold down both wings along this line. And this is what the white dove should look like.